I got some new C9 light bulbs. These are 130 watts. I mean, wow, 130 volts. So they'll last a little bit longer than the standard 125 volt bulbs. These are white, orange, green, blue, and red, which is the same color scheme that the lights on the deck are utilizing. So let's get this string set up here and we'll change out the bulbs and then we can put it outside. And of course people are going to start talking about LED, so we'll address that while we're doing this. You should get LED bulbs. They're so efficient, they save money, they last forever, blah blah blah. Well, the biggest problem with them is that they don't look very nice. They don't look the same as these. Maybe someday they will. We're not there yet. And until they do, they're not even a consideration for that reason alone. Secondly, I have purchased LED Christmas lights in the past. Some of them are okay. They're not the same though. I have never found any of them to last more than a couple of years, especially if used outside. So they go out and then, well, the whole thing just goes in the trash. Whereas, at least with these, you know, you can change the bulbs and then keep using the string. Well, somehow, allegedly, it's saving the planet to just put the whole thing in the trash and start over again. I couldn't tell you how. Maybe there's something I don't know. And as far as electricity usage is concerned, well, these might use more electricity, but I tend to think it's going to cost more to buy new LED strings every couple of years, because they're not cheap, especially to get a decent one. That would cost to just run these. So I just run these. They work good, they're pretty reliable, they look the way I like, and that's it. They can be fixed, not frustrating, etc., etc. So I use incandescent and I'm sticking with it, and that's it. There's nothing else to be said about that. Alright, so trying to make sure that we follow the same pattern as the lights that are outside, because since these are strung along in a line, you can tell the pattern, and to me it should be consistent. These are all a bit mixed up, so we'll move these along as we go and make sure that everything is the way it needs to be. I don't remember exactly how old this string is, but these are faded. See, this paint's coming off. So these are old. They've been around for a couple seasons, or they're just cheap garbage. I'm not really sure. Could be a combination of both. I don't remember buying these last year, so I think that they have been around for some time. Probably had these at the old house. That wasn't good. I probably should have just replaced all the bulbs in here, but since these are on the deck, they're pretty easy to access. You know, I'm not too worried about it. If they go out, I can easily change them. not good again. Okay, the string is now revived and ready to go for another year. So let's go ahead and put it outside. Ooh, it's cold. So it should begin with red. Okay, I managed to lock myself out of the house. Guess I'll have to go in the other door. Okay, so this is not going very well. Let's try again. So it starts with a green, or it ends with a green outside, so it should start with a red. I think we have to just move everything up one. Yep, so this should be red here. If this was anywhere else, I probably would just let it go, but because it's on the deck, it's going to be very obvious to me, so I'm going to spend the extra 3 minutes to get it right. Because quality matters, and so does accuracy. That bulb, I guess, just went out, so go ahead and fix that now. That was one of the old ones. So I suppose we go back to my original point that we should probably all just get replaced. These new bulbs don't get anywhere near as hot as the old ones do. That one looks a little bright to me. It might be on its way out. Okay, now it's correct. Some people might call that psychotic. I just call it taking a couple extra minutes to do it properly. Okay, let's go outside and try again. Shut up, I'm taking a video. Too much noise pollution. Whoa. Okay, let's turn off the other lights and see what it looks like. This is a bit too long here. That should fix it maybe. Okay, that looks pretty good. Still gotta get another string for that railing, but it'll be another day. Because that's a different plug-in. Okay, deck light's done. Part 2 of 3 complete.